Let's not sugarcoat this. Your wallet is on life support, your credit score is in hiding, and your bank account? It's basically giving final clearance sale. Let me be blunt. You're broke. Not because of bad luck, but because your money habits are straight up trash. It's like watching someone buy $300 sneakers while their rent is past due. Tragic but preventable. So let's fix this before your finances make you the star of a cautionary TikTok. You deserve better, and I'm about to show you how. Let's get into it. First mistake, you're spending like you're on a yacht, but your paycheck is paddling a dinghy. Look, I get it. You're out here living for the moment. Amazon hauls, designer coffee, subscription services you forgot existed. But here's the truth. You're not treating yourself. You're tricking yourself. If you're not Jeff Bezos, stop swiping like you are. The real issue, no plan. Budgeting might sound like the least fun thing ever, but it's your ticket to freedom. Here's how you do it. Step 1, write down how much you actually make. Step 2, list your needs, rent, bills, and groceries. And no, DoorDash doesn't count. Step 3, whatever's left. That's your fun money. Want a $6 latte? Cool. Want 6 lattes a week? Not so cool. Think of budgeting like your fitness journey. It's not about never eating pizza again. It's about not eating it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Got it? Second mistake. You're playing life on hard mode with no emergency fund. Picture this. Your car dies tomorrow. Are you ready, or are you Googling, how much do kidneys sell for on the dark web? Look, life is unpredictable. It doesn't care if you're manifesting good vibes. It'll slap you with a $500 surprise vet bill faster than you can say, "My cat ate another rubber band." Here's the game plan. Start with $1,000. That's your cushion for life's minor disasters. A flat tire? Covered. Last-minute medical expense? Handled. Once you hit that, aim higher. 3 to 6 months of expenses. And no, this isn't your treat yourself fund. It's your I lost my job and rent is due fund. Trust me, future, you will thank you for this one. And now, the third mistake. You're ignoring small wins like they don't matter. Oh, you think saving $20 a week is pointless? Let me hit you with some math. That's $1,040 a year. That's a weekend getaway, a new laptop, or cash to cover unexpected expenses without calling your parents. Here's how you rack up small wins. Automate your savings. Apps like Acorns? Game changers. They round up your purchases and invest the spare change. That $1.23 left over from your coffee run? It's working for you now. Pay an extra $10 on your credit card bill each month. It might feel small, but over time, it saves you hundreds in interest. These tiny moves add up faster than you think. Even rich people didn't build wealth in a day. They stack small wins over time. And if they can, so can you. Let's not ignore another factor. Lifestyle creep. You know what I mean? You get a raise, and suddenly you're upgrading everything. Bigger apartment, better car, fancier nights out. Here's the kicker. Instead of saving that extra income, you're spending it. The solution? Keep your expenses the same as they were before the raise and funnel that extra cash into savings or investments. It's like giving your money a glow-up instead of a blow-up. All right, here's the bottom line. You're broke not because you're bad at money. You're broke because no one taught you how to be good at it. But now you know. Step 1, spend like you've got some sense. Step 2, build an emergency fund like your life depends on it, because it kind of does. Step 3, celebrate those small wins because they're your secret weapon to long-term wealth. If this video didn't slap some sense into you, I don't know what will. Smash that like button, subscribe to Wealthflow Studio, and turn on notifications so you don't miss me roasting your bad money habits again. And hey, drop a comment below. What's the dumbest thing you spent money on this month? Let's laugh, learn, and cry about it together. Peace.